Your home, office, and vehicle can be a hot spot for harmful mold, bacteria, and viruses. Traditional disinfectants, like wipes and sanitizers, use toxic chemicals and evaporate quickly, leaving surfaces open to contamination all over again. Pro-tect permeates the surfaces and ventilation systems, bonding covalently to the molecules of hard and soft surface material and destroying 99.9% of harmful viruses, germs, and bacteria indefinitely. Pro-tect's protection products are EPA approved, non-toxic, hypoallergenic, durable, and offers total protection from harmful microbes that may be lingering in your vehicle. Protect yourself and the ones you love with Pro-tect. For service, please contact us at pro-tectcars.com or 855-758-2121.